Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to come and show you these adorable little napkin holders, and I'm using the little girl from KSCRAFT. Let me just show you real quick. So I'm using this die right here, and she's the girl that's sitting on the moon. I just didn't use the moon. And then this little doily one is using this one here. Okay. I'll link those links in the description bar, but I wanted to show you what I made, and I made them into little tissue holders. See? So she looks like this, and this is something that you could just keep on your desk, and then when you need a tissue, you just pull. Which I don't know if I want to do that with the pull. These don't have it. This one obviously has like a little notch, so you just take it out. And these are from Dollar Tree, the tissues. I think you get like 6 for $1, which is a perfect little project to make because you can make so many. I only did 3, and I'm going to do 1. I'm going to show you a little tutorial how to make it. But I'm also going to show you, well, I'm going to put the link of the video that I followed in the description bar. So if you want a more detailed video, go check hers out. But mine is just the base, and then you decorate it however you want. But I think it came out really cute. And in the back, I put those stickers from Hobby Lobby. It says handmade with love. So what do you think? Do you like this idea of the little pool? Or just nothing where you just, pull it out yourself? So I made, the girls are pretty, they're actually the same. I just did the bows in different spots, and the trimming is different. And then this one, I did the bow in the bottom. You see her little pink shoes? And for the shoes, I always say I don't use the dies for the shoes. I always use a marker and just color in her shoes. Because these little pieces, oh my God, I probably even lost them. That's how tiny they are. So don't ever stress out when you need to do the shoes or any tiny piece. Just use a Sharpie. But aren't they cute? I love it. Okay, so let me put these on the side, and I'm going to show you real quick the base of how to make them. So you're going to need a piece, long piece that measures 3 1/4 by 11. Okay, and we're going to score it on the long side. Let me do it this way. On the long side, we're going to score it at 1, 4 1/2, and 9. Okay, so that's going to be your base. And once you fold everything together, this is how you're going to glue it. You see? But we'll do that together. Then you need another piece, a square piece that measures 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. So this is 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. You can see I already scored everything. We're going to score at 1 and 2. You're going to rotate 1 and 2. Rotate 1 and 2. That's it for your scoring. Now we're going to cut. For the cutting pieces, I did my little X's in the back so you can see what we're going to cut. So that's what we're cutting. Okay, so let's cut these together. So we're cutting that out. This whole strip out. This one all the way down. Get rid of this square right here. Okay. And then I like to do like my little, just a little piece so it's not in the way. Like that. Okay. Then we're going to cut this square. Cut all this out. Cut that out. This square. Actually, this one you need to cut all the way down. And your little wedges. Just makes it easier. And it's going to look like that. I like to do this one here too. A little piece there. And a little piece there. Okay. So once you have that cut out, you see, we're going to fold all your pieces. And now we're gonna glue these two little flaps to the base. So glue here and just connect that piece there. Connect that there. We're gonna glue this one here to that there. And do it this way. Okay. And then you see you have that flap there. Now here, take your napkin and put it inside and just glue that section there. So glue this little piece here, like a little triangle, because you don't want to glue the inside because then your napkin's going to be stuck. So that's it for glue. And then hold it together. Okay. And you have your little holder. And this piece goes in the back, so you don't see that anyway. Okay. So there you go. Now for your long piece, we're going to put glue right here. So this is your 1-inch strip. Glue the inside. And just connect it right there. See? That's your little stand. Okay, and that's your little stand, and this is the box that you're gonna glue here. Okay, so what you want to do now is add glue or sticky tape to this part here. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. So this is where I put my tape. So now what you want to do is just take that out. I usually still put glue anyway, just on the sides, like right here that I didn't have any tape, and here in the sides. It doesn't hurt to add more glue. Okay, now what you want to do is take your base and just center it. I'm trying to do this over the camera as much as you can, and then boom. Okay. And there you have your little stand. And that is it, guys. Now it's all up to decorating. I put my bone folder in there just to reinforce all the tape. And you're done. Once you decorate, look how cute they are. I love them. Super easy, affordable. Again, you could get the napkins, the tissues at Dollar Tree, 6 for $1. And then you got 6 projects. Super easy. I hope you guys like it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.